Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I will present my proposal to fulfill the compre exam with examiner Mr. Rido Khalid MPD. So before the start present, I will introduce myself. My name is Hera Salsabila with NPM 2111040255. The title of the proposal is The Influence of Starful Website Towards Student Reading Comprehension in Narrative Text. Many students struggle with reading comprehension, particularly narrative text. These difficulties are frequently caused by a combination of factors, including a lack of motivation, a limited vocabulary, and ineffective reading strategies. So in my preliminary research of SMPN 31 Bandar Lampung in January 2025, according to teacher, she said that students often face challenge in mastering narrative text, which contribute to their poor reading comprehension skill, and she emphasized that students often lose motivation and become tired when reading longer texts, limiting their ability to comprehend main idea, conclusion, details, and vocabulary in context. These problems can lead to increased stress and confusion as students try to understand what they are reading. So in chapter 2, a researcher used media at its name Starfall Website. Starfall Website is an innovative educational platform that aims to improve reading comprehension among young students. It follows the National Reading Panel's recommendation to use a systematic approach to teaching reading that is based on evidence. The website focuses on critical reading instruction components such as phonemic awareness, systematic phonics, vocabulary development, fluency, and comprehension. So in Starfall website, we have a feature. There is a match to teach narrative text. There's a lot book in the website. In chapter 3, we have research methodology. So researcher use a quantitative method focused on experimental design to carry out this investigation. Experimental design is essentially a research framework that evaluates how one variable affects another. In experimental design are similar to randomized experimental design in that they involve manipulation of an independent variable but differ in the subject are not randomly assigned to treatment group. In the research, use a pre-test and post-test, and researchers selected two classes. The first was an experimental class, and second class as a control class. Then, the student was given pre-test to know their reading comprehension in narrative text before the researcher gave treatment. After that, the student was given the treatment in each class. After that, the student was given post-test to know their score in reading comprehension in narrative text. Two classes, A and B, were chosen at random as the sample for the study, and only one group, class A, will receive a treatment in which narrative text is taught using Starfall website, whereas class B will receive the ordinary treatment as the teacher usually teaches. The student scores will be compared between A and B to determine whether there is a significant effect between them. In collecting data, researchers use tests as a fundamental technique in quantitative research. They are two, it's pre-test and post-test. So the researcher administered a pre-test to the student before administering the treatments, and post-test was conducted after students in both the experimental and control group received the treatment. A post-test was used to assess student reading comprehension after being taught through the Starfall website. So for the research procedure, we have planning. So the planning is determining the subject of the research and preparing tryout, and preparing pre-test, determining material to be taught, preparing a post-test, and we have application. So in application, first step, the researcher gets tryout test. This test is multiple choice, and that consists of 40 items with 4 alternative options, A, B, C, and D. The tests were distributed in class 9 in another school. And second, it's pre-test. The pre-test was given to the student to find out their initial ability in reading the text. This test consists of 20 multiple choice questions with 4 answer options, A, B, C, D, and treatment. After the pre-test, students receive treatment in the form of learning using several websites. Students read narrative text through the platform and use interactive feature to improve their comprehension. This treatment was conducted for 3 meetings. And the last is post-test. After the treatment, a post-test was given to the student to evaluate their reading improvement. The test consists of 20 multiple choice questions. And the last is reporting. It's analyzing the data from the pre-test and post-test result and creating a report based on the research finding. So that's all for me. Thank you for watching this video. The last, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.